Yeah, ACIS Europe is one of those events. I've attended many of them, where it's a great opportunity for us as vendors to meet and interact with potential customers or existing customers, and also for them to network between themselves and have a great time. So I think Resilience OS is an absolute necessity for companies because it solves the challenges they actually have. Understanding where their people, where their buildings are, is really difficult. And then overlaying threat intelligence to understand potential or actual threats to employees, buildings, locations, and supply chains is genuinely challenging. And I think what Resilience OS does is provide that single pane of glass platform to enable operational resilience across organizations, that simply isn't there with other vendors. So I think some of the automation capabilities that Resilience OS brings really does set it apart. That I've talked about integrations and bringing data in from lots of different sources. But of course, not everybody has the luxury of a global security operations center. So having that automated alerting and alarming and essentially turning your mobile app into your GSOC, I think is a really key element of bringing operational resilience to lots of organizations where actually having a GSOC is not something accessible to them. One of the key elements that we bring to the market is actually what we don't bring to the market, which may sound really strange, but by not being a provider of threat intelligence, by not forcing companies to buy our view of the world, by enabling them to bring in the companies that they trust, that they've done their due diligence on, I think really sets us apart. It provides companies with the ability to essentially use the information they believe in and they trust in to better support them as an organization, rather than having it forced on them by other providers.